got him being blinded.
Okay, so tell the audience what has happened since the last time they saw the car. It was last night, and we were tired. Actually, it was this morning, and we were tired at 5 a.m.
5 a.m.
And we called it quits when we couldn't get this pipe off, and we got the knock sensor in and had to buy some new parts.
Oh,
but
yeah.
Where did we go?
Do you want me to name the stores?
Yes.
We went to O'Reilly's, and we ended up getting this nice little harness for the new wire set for the knock sensors, which was pretty good. It was like 40 something bucks. And then
We ended up getting a socket.
And then returned it. I don't have it on me.
We used it, but don't tell them.
Yeah. Well, no, we didn't use it. And then
this was the tube that we couldn't get off.
Look at that, dude.
But it's like when we took it off, it's in like perfect condition. Like it's not brittle at all. So we'll reuse that. Yeah, it's indented, but it should be able to like get held on fine. Like it's not gonna pop off at any time.
We also have to get new. We had to get new
gaskets. We got a whole gasket
We got
set,
new gaskets.
which is nice. Velcro,
we got a
which
few
is nice.
spares, but this is the old one. It's a little rusted, a little torn.
Crusty. Well, because try to peel off that rust.
We got the new spark plug wires. They're in the car.
It's blocks in the car.
But
because we broke one of the connectors.
Actually, we broke 2 of them, and one of them is like crushed in half.
Now we are just going to try to reassemble the whole thing.
Reassemble.
And yeah. It'll probably be when we'll come back when the first intake manifold's on, and then we'll put the spark plug wires, and then the second intake manifold.
Oh, new pipe.
Oh yeah, so we broke the PCV. I broke the PCV valve, which was right here.
Wow.
It snapped off.
Nobody would blame you.
Bought a little hose and then cut it. And
Perfect.
This looks pretty good now.
Evan cut it to perfection.
Perfection. I have some experience.
And then these suckers in. Nice. Very nice.
That was a solid click.
That was a really good one. And then this.
Okay. That one goes there, right? Yep.
I love me a good clicky click.
Awesome.
Nice.
Sweet. So I just tuck that away. So we'll get back when the manifold's on and all set. Okay, so what have we done, Jonah? What else have we done? Did we get it on?
We got this intake manifold on, we got the injectors all hooked up, and then we got this motherfucking the rail on as well. So now we have to put the other part, the first part of the intake manifold, and then put the second fuel rail on, and figure out how these go.
All the spark plug wires.
Yep.
I think it attaches to the intake manifold somehow, or it attaches to this. I think it attaches to this. Okay, well, we'll come back when we have the other intake manifold on, and maybe the fuel rail, maybe not. Goodbye.
Bye, Evan. Bye, Evan's video watchers. Bye. No, it is late. Oh, there's nothing.
No, it's supposed to be just like that. And then the back.
Feels like there's something.
That's.
You know what it is? It's that metal thing.
Back that way. That way. Right there. Get that on there. Right, there's a.
Yeah. I know. That's what I'm. You gotta like push that. So you gotta push this out of the way because it secures it in.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just wanted to make sure I wasn't stuck on anything.
Nice.
Didn't crimp any hoses.
Holy crap, bro. Nice. Okay.
Good job, Evan. Good job, Evan.
That was you, bro.
You did it.
You have to update them on what we've done. You don't have to look into the light.
Wow. Everything's been pretty much reinstated to its former glory. We put the, I don't know what you call this,
it's the wiring for the fuel rail.
Yeah, like the fuel rail wiring, put the air filter back on. And put the throttle body back together. I don't know if we also put the fuel line in. I don't think we had that, the fuel line. And then we just have to put the engine plate cover back on, then the strut bar, then reconnect the battery, fill up the coolant reservoir, let the coolant burp.
Start it.
Oh, that's these.
It's the two that I was like,
Oh, I thought that was the engine. I was like, what? I like how we just said, F it, no gloves. Like halfway through.
Yeah.
We were just like, dude, I'm not applying so many gloves.
Oh, there's clips, remember? Push it in the back. I think it's already on. Yeah, you got it. Ready?
Yes. Let's get it. The finishing touches, bro.
So, if you want to tell the people, we started it up, right?
We started the car to burp the coolant, and we got it going. No check engine light. NOx sensor's good. O2 sensor's good, but something was leaking, and so I thought that it was just the excess coolant that had come out. You know, you can see a little bit there. It's already dried up a little bit. Thought it was a little bit of coolant. That would have made sense. Maybe we didn't connect the hose, and then we find out kind of smells like gasoline. Yeah, delicious gas. Yeah, and so it's all gas. And it was leaking from the fuel injection.
Yeah, but so the whole thing was buttoned up, and I looked in here, and there was no hose that was leaking coolant. So I looked down in the channel that the NOx sensor's in, and I saw it was wet, and I'm like, okay, that's where the fuel injectors are. So we took it all apart. I knew it was fuel, and I wasn't sure where it was, which injector was leaking. So I had him start the car for a second, and sure enough, the middle injector was spewing gasoline out this way, out of the seal. So I was like, okay, something with the seal, or the injector's plugged, or the wiring harness is fried. So we took a break because I almost passed out.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
And
Matt got very lightheaded.
Yes, and we took the injector out, and the seal isn't on it right now, but it was completely destroyed.
Yeah, ripped in half.
So I didn't use white lithium grease on it, which I was a dumbass, but also it was really brittle, and it should have been replaced anyways. Yeah. So I guess this is good, because we'll just have to wait for tomorrow, and then this engine will be indestructible.
Oh yeah, what time it is? It's 12:30.
12:30. What happened right after the camera cut?
Yeah, listen, so the injector, the fuel injector, they got these little O-rings on them, and some of the top ones, they were brittle, so they exploded, and fuel came pouring out of the car. So it's time to put in the new. We
did get footage. I remember going like this and being like,
did we?
We thought it was cool. Yeah, we did. But anyways, we got new O-rings.
Yeah, new O-rings for the top.
We greased them up
on these two, and then now they're white lithium greased. Thanks to Evan.
Woo!
Lock in, boy.
Pretty good, dude. Lock in, boy. Lock and loaded. Oh wait, we need the spacers. Oh, yep.
No, they're already in there. We never removed them. I'm not gonna start it until I get 100% consent.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm good.
That's not like you. No, that's entirely.
That's not like you.
Consent from you now. Then I'll just have to force it. Uh-oh, you heard it. Whoa, no!
Yeah, we're good. Cool.
All right, bright eyes.
Is the check engine light on?
No. Clean dash.
Nice.
When I back it up, you're gonna see all the glory. I've seen it without this plate, and it's sick. I can't lie, it does look nice.
Awesome, yeah. Ready? I almost dropped it. Clink.
Heat.
It's cool that you did it.
And it's cool that Sean is blocking the frame.
That's awesome.
Race incest.
No.
Sean didn't really do so good in school. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Pretty good.
Uh-oh.
No gas? Yes. When you hit the brake, the dash lights go like really dim. We're back on track.
Yeah.
We're at step 0 now. We didn't have to backtrack.
We We started on a negative and now we're even.
Razzle dazzle.
After it rains and it starts to snow, the grain will freeze.